Hey, it's Tummur here. Once again in Otepää, Estonia, doing the things that I do for money. So I decided, why don't I just record the vlog here in the hotel room once again. I had one idea for this episode. What should I talk about? But I forgot it when I was in restaurant eating. So uh, so I have been quite lazy. It seems to me that I've been quite lazy with music making. In late last couple of weeks, I haven't had too much output. Although yesterday I was listening to my tracks through, and the sound is good. As I had plans to to start a label, I think now I have some material for it. The sound starts to represent me, and now I'm looking for other artists to release on that. But yeah, I'm the hotel. I do not have too much things to do, so I have time. But still, I feel that that I'm too lazy to open my computer and start to work on the music. It's somehow it's how would I say, it's much more productive when you have limited time. You have just short periods of time to make something, and now I have what I have 4.5 hours before I should go to bed. So I'm just bouncing around and thinking, what should I do? I even got flyers for the live show. I have spread them out in the fuel stations where I have stopped. I have thrown some flyers out there, and I was thinking, should I drive to Tartu, which is 40 minutes from here, and spread the flyers there, and because it's Tartu is a university city or town, so there's lots of young people, probably active in the music scenes, and the electronic music is also quite big in the world. So I think that there would be people that are interested in my show, but now I'm feeling lazy and not feeling the urge to jump in the car and drive 40 minutes. I don't remember the kilometers. So, but hey, what else I could do here? I could contact a few artists that I think that would fit the label. That could be quite good. I also have some things in my notebook. In my notebook there is some things to do, and this vlog is one, so at least I'm getting one thing out of the way. Uh, and live, it was great last week. Good show, and I will continue. I got the concepts ready and things ready for represent the show. Now I just need to advertise it to gain some people to watch it. That would be great. Although it has been good, I'm not saying that it has been bad. Uh, from my followers in Instagram, I would say that at least 25% of the people are watching the show. So I think that is quite good number in the internet age. And one thing is also that most of the followers are friends, so they are not so much into the music, and that's totally cool. So that's why not everybody is watching, you know, and that's totally cool. And I don't force people to watch my show. If somebody's interested, then it's okay. Go ahead and watch it. And if not, don't watch it. Do something that you like. That's totally cool with me. And if the episode seems quite boring and you're into music, you can just pop in and pop out, check how the things progress. You don't have to watch the whole thing, and that's totally cool with me also. So I'm cool with everything. uh, Maybe this is maybe this is it for today, and yeah, watch the live on Sunday on Instagram. If you're not in Instagram, I don't know what to do. I asked Instagram that they could verify my account so I could put it in Instagram TV. If you're not verified, you cannot put over 10 minutes at the moment. So I've asked them to verify me. Let's see how the process goes. And if you're not in Instagram, I think that you can watch Instagram TV, but I'm not sure. If you want to watch my show, join the Instagram. Although I have them on my phone here, so if I meet you on the street, I can show you these shows, episodes. So that's it. Maybe I should just stop talking, even though I didn't have a topic to talk. The episodes just keeps going and going. So maybe I just cut the shit for now, and I'll see you all next week. Maybe in different environment. So peace.